Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add music in CapCut. So let's open the CapCut. This is the mobile version, Android version. So this is, for example, you can tap on your project here. So as you can see, I already had the sound here. This is the sound under your video, under the layer. So if you want to add this, let's delete first. It's very easy. This one, you can add your sound or add audio here. Just tap it. So you can choose the your record, live record, or you can use AI, or you can use prompt, text to audio, sound effect, copyright, and this one, sounds. So in the sounds, you can choose the from CapCut library, or you can extract audio from video or device. This one is from your phone, from your storage. So you can choose, for example, choose the song here. You can tap it, and now the sound or the song is already added into your projects. So you can tap it. Even you can increase the volume. You can fade in, fade out, split. Even you can enhance voice, audio effect, translator, reduce noise, and adjust the pitch or speed. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.